Today we met with the Department of Justice for about 5 hours, and remarkably the Department of Justice refused to answer all of our serious questions about what is going on in this case. It appears to us that the Justice Department is continuing to give a wealthy, powerful, well-connected corporation benefits that any other defendant in the criminal justice system would never get. If the Justice Department moves to dismiss the charges against Boeing this summer, we will fight them at every opportunity.
We've been trying to understand the decision making, the exchange of information between the Department of Justice and Boeing that led them to make that sweetheart deal with Boeing. And we've been calling for this DPA to be reopened so that we can have a fact-finding process, make sure that the Boeing principals are criminally prosecuted.
I think today's meeting with the DOJ has left me quite disheartened, and as a member of the international community, it begs to ask the question, what we have looked at as the semblance of justice, and the one place we thought that we could speak and be heard and be understood, it's just been really disappointing, you know. And I hope that moving forward that the Department of Justice, in terms of the decisions that they make in regards to DPA, we implore them, we beseech them to make the right decision, because ultimately what the Department of Justice does in America sets a tone for what justice looks like globally. And all we have encountered and we keep encountering with the Department of Justice is a miscarriage of justice over and over again. It's not about our justice anymore. It's not about the miscarriage of justice for us anymore. It's about the public safety. You know, it's really easy to look at us and feel sorry for us and send your condolences and heartfelt wishes, but there's a time and a moment which we did that for others, but we didn't know we would be on the receiving end. So I would say to the flying public, hold them to account, because they're not holding Boeing to account and they're not holding themselves to account. And if we fail to do so, we're literally risking and putting our lives in the hands of people that don't mind playing a roulette game, or, you know, risking our lives.
In terms of what happens next, the Justice Department in the next 6 weeks will be deciding whether to drop the charges against Boeing. We certainly hope they do the right thing and continue to pursue this case, continue to pursue it through a jury trial so the public can understand what happened when 346 people were killed.